Okay, good Friday morning. Just came from the dog park. It's in the 60s. All right, got a little bit of a breeze, not much. I think it's supposed to be like 5 to 10, and it's blowing right this way, but sometimes it comes from over here. Like right now, it's kind of coming from right there, but it's not. It should be a non-factor. Taking off my freshly repaired BF109. Believe it or not, I'm a little nervous. My flaps, I need a flap servo, but so on my right flap, post crash flight. My trim is different, believe it or not, surprisingly. Gear up. Oh, it's way out of trim. Huh. And the sun's kind of low. It's a little early in the day still. I haven't even checked to see where my trim's at yet. Let's see. Whoa. Need a bunch of that. Oh yeah. Whoa, I'm glad. I hope you could see where that was, because I sure as heck couldn't see. I couldn't see anything. Need some of this. Yeah. We're through turning that way. Let's get some speed up. Whew. I need up and left. A lot of up and left. It's not, I don't have enough trim on the radio to get it flying straight. Whew. Seems to be flying nice. I mean, other than being out of trim, but I would almost expect it to be out of trim. Let's get a mock landing run in here. I should have dropped the wheels. I got the stick way off. Let's drop the gear. Well, shoot. Well, I wasn't happy with it. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Alright, so let me get everything back to 0. Wow. So I need more up. Let's get everything back to 0. Well, there you go. I'm going to go do some mechanical trimming on it. I think it went well. I kind of stalled it at the end. That was my fault. I came down on the throttle too fast. But overall, I think it went well. It's pulling to the right. Man, the trim looks good, but man, it was pulling to the right. And I need to come up on my elevator and add a lot of right Or was it tipping? It was tipping to the right, so I need to add more. I need to go more left. Yeah. And it could be, I think I see what's causing it. This, the right, see my flaps, the right flap doesn't go down, but it's drooping a little bit. So I bet you that's what was causing it to pull to the right. Is you can just barely see right here. You can see the flaps down. It's down, you can see there, it's here. That had to be what was pulling it to the right. So mechanical little bit of up, and I got to fix that. So that's going to be the maiden flight of this. I'm not going to fly it again until I address that right flap. I'm going to see if I can find a servo. But shoot, I think it flew well. I mean, I didn't land it, but it wasn't the fault of the repairs. It was all me on the sticks. I was just off just a little bit. And in this rough ground, this ground might not look rough on the video, but I'm telling you, it is very rough. And between that and a little too high angle, I dorked the landing. This popped up a little bit. Now it's back down. But I'm happy with that flight. Well, I hope you're having a great Friday. It's having a great Friday. Glad to get this one over with. I know what to work on for next time. But